Hi guys, welcome to Women's World. My name is Tope Sonny, and on today's episode, we will be talking about a topic. Did you see that? There was a swallow. We'll be talking about a topic that I find deeply controversial, and the topic is this: men are the biggest gossips. So, from ages past, the gist has always been women gossip a lot. Women like gist. The only thing they sit down is just to be gossiping and gossiping and gossiping. I find that quite troubling. So what I did was I went to research and I found out that men actually gossip more than women. You're surprised? I'll let you guys know more about it when I come back. Welcome back, guys. As I was saying earlier, men are the biggest gossips. I went out to find and to research about it. And here's what I found out. See, what men call it is, they call it men's gist. They say they are hanging out. And they say, it's not like that. Or if you know you want to tell me, it's a lie. Men, from research, they hang out more within themselves than women. In fact, studies show that married women, they hardly ever go out at all. Married men, on the other hand, they go out more. And when they hang out, what do you think they're talking about? You think it's political gist? You think it's football? It's a lie. They are gisting about something they found on social media. See, you will never see them on Instagram commenting on all these gist blogs and all those things about stuff. But within themselves, they will tell you, oh, did you see that stuff that was on Instagram? Hey, lie, it can never happen to me. What is that supposed to mean? For those of you that do not understand Yoruba, Olomaje means God forbid. See, and when you're at home and you do something small, you can try this at home. Someone calls you and says, hello? Yes? Oh, I can't believe it. What? Oh my God, should I start coming? You will see your partner somewhere around start saying, who's that? What? In fact, there is a current trend right now where women, they pretend to receive calls, as in very fun gist and, funny stuff with their friends. And you see the partner just saying, who's that? Tell me now. Tell me what? Tell me what? They gossip more. They gist more. They are the ones who know who is dating who. That is the truth. It is just a myth. It is just societal conditioning. You can try this. Just do like what's that thing called? An exercise, And you can also go online and find out. From experience, they did a study between men and women, and they found out that men gist more on their phones. They might not talk about their personal selves. They won't. They might not talk about, their personal lives, but they will gist about other things surrounding them. And their gists are always dishonest. Unlike women. Women are very honest in their gossips. I'm not saying women do not gossip, but you really need to dissociate yourself from that societal conditioning that say that men do not gossip. Men actually. The only thing is that women, when they gossip, it is more detailed. It is more fun. It is rich. It's like storytelling. Men, on the other hand, they just pick 1, 2, 3, and then they will sit down there. They will go out on Friday night. What do you think they are doing? Anyway, I'm just here to cause trouble today. And for you to ask your partner, you too like amebo. What is amebo? Gossip. I hope you guys enjoyed today's episode. Remember to follow me on Instagram at Tope Sonny and also follow our social media channels. I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.